guys, welcome back to Tip Tuesday. My name is Matthew Sturkey with Stone Mill Log and Timber Homes. Thanks for joining us today. Today we're going to talk about tips for lowering long-term maintenance. Why is it important to have gutters and downspouts? Well, today we're sitting at a site with gutters and downspouts. You can see we've got a porch rafter with a fascia board attached to the end of it. We've got a gutter attached to the fascia board, and then we've got a downspout with an elbow coming off of that gutter. So it's really important to have gutters and downspouts in your design. One, it helps to provide additional long-term protection for the home, to lower long-term maintenance, and it helps get water away from the foundation and away from the house. If you plan and you choose not to do gutters and downspouts, make sure you do some kind of French drain around the house seat to get and divert water away from that house seat and around that foundation. You do not want water to collect around the foundation. We typically recommend getting the water in a drainage pipe away from the house about 15 to 20 feet. That way it doesn't collect around the foundation. So this is the tip for the day. Use gutters and downspouts on your home. Incorporate those into your design. It will help you lower long-term maintenance and keep that water away from the foundation. Hopefully this has been helpful today. We look forward to you joining us for more Tip Tuesday next week. In the meantime, stay safe and healthy and take care.